This crochet headband pattern is designed for absolute beginners. The headband is stretchy, uses basic stitches, and easy to make. I will show you how to customize the headband to make any size you want, from baby to adult size guide. Let's get into the tutorial. I will start by making a slip knot. Next, make a foundation chain. Do not make the chain too tight. Continue until you have 74 chains, or until you have chains for your desired length. I have 74 chain stitches. And when I measure, I get 21 inches, which is an adult medium size. If you'd like to make a different size, here is how to measure your head circumference and customize your starting chain. Measure around the widest part of the head, just above the ears. Your foundation chain should be about 1 to 2 inches smaller than the actual measurement because crochet stretches. This is how we usually crochet, but I'm going to turn the chain so that I crochet in the back bumps. Starting from the second chain from the hook, make a half double crochet. Mark the first stitch. Half double crochet in the next stitch. As you can see, my bottom edge looks neat since I am working in the back bumps. Continue making half double crochets in each chain and I'll meet you at the end of the row. I have completed the first row. I have 73 stitches. I just want to show you something quick. When you finish your first row, measure again to see how much your length has reduced. Mine has reduced from 21 to 19.5 inches, which is okay since this pattern stretches. Chain 1 and turn your work to start row 2. We are going to work in the back loops only. In the first stitch from the hook, place a half double crochet in the back loop. Next stitch, half double crochet in the back loop only. Continue placing a half double crochet in the back loops only until the end of the row. The last stitch goes in this marked stitch. We are going to repeat the steps of row 2 for the rest of the rows. Chain 1 and turn to start row 3. Half double crochet in the back loops only. Continue with the same steps we did for row 2 until you have 8 rows. This is how wide 8 rows look like. But if you want yours to be wider, just keep adding more rows. I am just about to complete my 8th row. Chain 1, leave a long tail. Cut the yarn. Pull and tighten. This pattern looks the same on both sides. These are my final measurements before sewing the two ends together. Please check the description below for the size guide from baby to adult. Bring the two short ends together. Thread the long tail we left earlier into the yarn needle. Sew the two ends together. Turn your work right side out. Fold the seam to form a bow look. Sew the folds in place. Make sure they are secure enough so that they don't come out when you stretch the headband. Fasten off and weave in the ends. For a more polished look, I will add a small strip. I will go ahead and make a slip knot. Make a chain of 11 stitches. Starting from the second chain from the hook, make a single crochet. Single crochet in each of the remaining chains. After the last single crochet, chain 1, leave a tail, cut the yarn, pull through. I'm weaving in the shorter tail. Sew the two ends together and then fasten off. This is the finished headband. It's stretchy and looks so beautiful. You can make this headband in many colors and sizes. If you want to add a flower to yours, check the description below for the full tutorial of the flower. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more beginner-friendly projects. Thank you for watching.